Today I will guide you how to upload a spotlight on Snapchat. For that you need to open the Snapchat application. So when you reach on this camera section of Snapchat, tap on the spotlight at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you want to upload a spotlight on Snapchat, you need to tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can choose upload a video option. This will take you to the camera roll of your device. Here you need to select any video of your choice to upload as a spotlight. You can easily customize this snap and tap on tick mark at the bottom right corner. If you want to see the preview, you can tap on preview button, and let's tap on open settings to enable location first of all. Before that, let's tap on while using the app. Once you have done that, let's tap on send to button at the bottom right corner and make sure you have toggle on the spotlight button. You can add a description here and allow remixing, so a snap on public profile. Once you have done that, you can tap on this share button at the bottom right corner. So wait for a moment, it has already been submitted to Spotlight. Let's go back to the camera and go to the profile at the top left corner, and when you scroll down in Spotlight and Snap Map, you can easily find the video I just uploaded right now. So this way you can easily upload a spotlight on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.